Hey, Stan Winston School and Legacy Effects. What can I do for the awesome special effects team that is Stan Winston and Legacy Effects?
We wanted to know what you wanted us to do with this thing.
Oh, the Geek Week robot? I don't know. Shut it down?
We may have a problem.
What kind of problem?
Yeah, what kind of problem?
This kind. Weapon systems powering up.
Oh crap, it's T3 all over again! I was in that! Run for it!
Get back here and I'll shut you down.
Ah!
Destroy you.
It's gonna kill us all! Follow me! Keep running! Oh wait, I'm not actually there. See ya.
Why are we so good at building these things?
Destroy YouTube. Destroy. Move. You have 3 seconds to comply. 1, 2, 3! Play on! Hey, Laser Brain! It's not very effective. My turn.
Uh-oh.
Catch!
Yo, Rust Bucket.
That was a mistake.
This is gonna hurt.
Don't worry, guys. We got this. It's hammer time.
Power cells recharged 400%.
In that case, we don't got this.
Now, it's hammer time. What the? Okay, you wanna play? Let's play.
1, 2, 3, 4!
Sounds like somebody wants to get funky.
You're so young.
Oh, come on. This is starting to get ridiculous.
You don't even know the meaning of the word ridiculous.
I think we can fix that.
Hey, over here! Look at me! Hey, down here! Over here! I know how you can beat this thing, alright? And I'm gonna... Well, actually, I don't know if I should tell you. Because it's like really obvious. I mean, it's probably the most obvious plot development point in any kind of an action sequence ever when some people need to... Seriously? If you want to beat this thing, you all have to work together. Alright? As a group. Okay, Mars Rising, play that music! Sneaky Z, bring the thunder! Rocket Jump, let's rock it! Scream Team, finish him!
YouTube overload.
We did it! Yeah! What a team! Points, 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 points. I'm pointing, so that's why. Guys! Hey guys! Why? You're just gonna leave me here? It's like I help you, save yourselves, probably all of humanity. I'm a giant robot. You're just gonna leave me here alone? Out in the elements? Oh wait, I'm actually not here.
back.